Turbo Turnup Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now. It's Turbo Turnup Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now. It's Turbo Turnup Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now.
Hello YouTube, it's your main man BTM here, and we're bringing it back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. I'm just trying to get the mic set up here. I'm trying to make some changes. Been cleaning up, so now I'm trying to get everything back in order. Happy Friday, tigers, tigerettes, toads, tadpoles, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. What's up? It's your main man BTM coming to you on this Friday. And if you know, I've been watching the weather. It's been snowing in Texas, especially in the DFW. So we are posted, right? We snowed in. So I got nothing else to do but make videos and look at crypto. So shout out to the Turbo Toad Warriors. The Turbo Toad Army is Turbo Toad Turn Up. Let's go. It's Turbo Turn Up time. Remember, Turbo, Turbo, Turbo. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. So what is up? Bernard, I guess. I think that's how you say that. What's going on, guys? What's up, Turbo fam? And like I told you, Turbo cannot be denied, right? They can't stop us. They can't hold us back. We are here and we are live and we are bouncing back to the what was that? Top 15 of meme coins. I told you guys just to diamond hand and be patient. And where is my glove, actually? That's weird. Damn it. Uh-oh. Found it, right? They can't hold us back. They can't shut us down. Just continue to diamond hand with the Michael Jackson glove. Continue to diamond hand and we will continue to turbo turn up. Just hold on, guys. I know it's been a while and we've been doing sideways, but the pump is coming. If you can just hang in there for a few more days, you're going to see your patience pay off, right? It can't keep going sideways. At some point, it's going to have to push up. But thanks for everyone who joined. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And super chat, right? I'm just checking something here, trying to create some updates. Dang it, why does it keep doing that? Let me see here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And super chats. And I got the Etsy shop open back up. I'll show you that in a minute. So thanks for joining. Don't forget to sign up for the Black Tiger Miner Twitter page to stay updated on current events and news action. So this is the Turbo Toad page, the Turbo path. In 2024, we chose a bold, unique road to success. Now it's 2025, and we are set up to catapult Turbo into an extraordinary year of building a groundbreaking ecosystem. Join this transformation journey towards innovation. Innovation, if you like it, I love it. Let's go. So it looks like on Sunday at 2 p.m. GTM +1. I know I got to figure out what time this is, but welcome flows and Z-Back HB to the community. Tune in this Sunday to learn more about the recent partnerships brought to us, which brought us the Turbo app and upcoming Turbo debit card. So that's weird. A new host on the AMAs. Interesting. But yeah, make sure you tune in on Sunday. I don't think I'll be there because I'm not 100% sure what time this is. But let me see. Will it show us the time? 8 a.m. on Sunday. Probably won't be there. But let me know what you guys think if you are able to join and how it goes. So this is Black Widow Phantom. What up? Turbo Hood. Okay. This is the Roaring Toady. What up? Big news for the Turbo community, celebrating the launch of the brand new Turbo app and debit card. To mark this occasion, we're having a giveaway 10 times 100 in Turbo for the best memes. You will find the AI image bot here. So this is a link to the Telegram. And I think we already showed the AI bot, how you can generate the coins on Telegram. Fans are encouraged to check out the original post from Joe Timer and get creative. This is your chance to be one of the 10 lucky winners. The milestone is the result of a powerful partnership between Turbo Token Flows and Z-Back HB. Full speed ahead for Turbo Toad, and the momentum is unstoppable. So let me know if you guys are able to tune in and check that out. So this is, I guess this is John Heimer? This is the original message about the competition. Teamed up with Toadian and Altcoin Scoop to celebrate an exciting partnership with Turbo Toad Token, which yielded an incredible Turbo app and Turbo debit card. So how to enter, use the Turbo app or your favorite AI to generate, to create the most creative meme showing how to use the card and token. Post your meme to the Twitter hashtag XTurbo and Turbo X Flow. Wow. Turbo X Flows and Z-Back. Follow and tag Turbo, Toad, Flows, and Z-Back. 10 winners will receive 100 in Turbo. Deadline is Sunday at 12 p.m. GTM. Interesting. But yeah, they're having a giveaway. Let me see. Let me see if this is let me see if we can find this. Where is the app? Let me see. Is this it? Uh-oh. Why is my app opening? That's weird. So this is the generator. Where is updates on Telegram? Okay, so this is the app, and I think you can just go here to create. That's not what we're looking for. I think it's create. And then you put in what you want to create and it'll generate it. But I'm not 100% sure this is the right one. So let me double check before showing you guys that. But that's definitely the app. And you click generate and then you type what you want to generate and it'll come up for you. That's what I was saying earlier. got the shop back open. So this is one of the images on Spotify, the whole t-shirt. And of course, it's turbo turn up time. And I thought I had a cup here as well. I'm not sure why the cup is not coming up, but as you know, this is the turbo turn up. Wow. The sweater. But I will actually you can check the Twitter page. It'll be there. So I'm not sure where else to put it, but I'll get the word out. Don't get caught up in the market panic. Turbo is more than a project, it is a community. The number of holders keep growing regardless of the price action. You can check the Ether scan, hold. I like that Turbo Toad board meeting. Turbo Toad board meeting. Okay. I'm not sure why the toad is huge, but I like that's pretty cool. This is Turbo. I'm trying to see. Not sure. This is the Turbo crew is ready to take the meme world by storm. Be a legendary and list Turbo Toad and lead crypto exchange. Shout out to Robin Hood and the bow and arrow. It's my main man Gino with the purple. I love the purple suits. Purple, purple, purple. There's only one Toad. This is Turbo is the ultimate vision of AI meme art, cutting edge tech with a game changing partnership and major projects. Turbo is shaping the future for Web3. So I think there's going to be some announcements coming soon. I want to say there might be an announcement on Monday, and I know there is one coming. What is this? Well, there's an AMA on Sunday, and I think there is an announcement coming Monday, and I think another announcement next week. I got the AMA on Wednesday, and I think there is an AMA coming on Friday as well. So things are about to get busy in the Turbo Toad community. You guys had time to relax and chill, and now after the holidays, it's time to get back to work. So we will see. This is Sith Lord. What up, man? A lot of dips to buy up. Come on, Turbo. And you are right. So this is let's go Robin Hood. People are claiming Turbo. Robin Hood. This is Bybit. And this is Turbo Toad holders is climbing, a sign of growing belief in the potential. Each holder strengthens the community and drives us closer to success. If you're not part of the movement yet, now it's time to become part of something powerful. Let's rise together. And going forward, let me see. Here's Etherscan. So the Etherscan has the number of holders. So currently we are at 51,295, up 0.115%. So there's definitely some movement to the upside. So let me know what you guys think about that. What is up, Extreme Car Care? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and super chat. Good evening from the UK. What's going on, brother? How's it going, fam? Those announcements have been like the boy who cried wolf. Hope there's a wolf this time. Yes, Sith Lord, you're right. A lot of these announcements kind of don't pop the way we think they should. So I think these guys should just push out the information versus hyping us up, right? But I think the one Monday might actually be something. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and super chat. And let me see here. Where are we? This is the Explorer with Turbo and the Aurora development team. That's weird. Looked like there were contracts on here yesterday. Yeah, there's 6. Number of deployed contracts is 6. I'm not even sure what this is actually saying. 42 accounts, 193 addresses, 4.8 million blocks. So I'm not sure if it actually tells us the projects that are coming to the Turbo chain, but this is all the information I have so far. So let me know if you guys are interested and kind of understand what's going down. So Turbo is up 3.6%, 556.7 market cap. Last 24 hours up 2%. Last 7 days down 16%. 30 days 37. We're at 008. I hope you guys bought that dip, right? I told you, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. But I guess everyone wasn't able to buy the dip. But it's not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. So on the 1 hour chart, looks like we had a green candle and now it came back down. What? Just leave it. And looks like there is a MACD cross and we lost some volume. Had a MACD cross and we were building volume on the hour chart. We'll check the 15-minute chart and look like we are starting to build volume again within the last hour. In the morning, MACD crossed and we were losing volume, but you can see us hit the resistance line at 008 and came up. And let me see. So this is that next bump down to 005. And at some point, we will push back up to this 1.3 cents. Just a matter of time, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. Be patient. And this is, check the meme coins real quick. I was going to check the bubbles. So on the meme coin count, AI 16 back in 7th place. Pudgy Penguins is 5. 2 billion. Baby Dogecoin's 2.1 billion. Fluke is 1.5 billion. Flarkcoin continues to slide down. They're out of the billion mark. Tried to tell you guys, but I'm just here to help, right? I'm not trying to FUD any projects or to get too crazy, but I don't want you guys to lose a lot of money chasing down rabbit holes. But Digga Chad is 14, and look who is back in the top 15 with 568 million market cap. Looks like we jumped over Peanut the Squirrel and Popcat, and hopefully we'll hold on. And looks like Godius Maximus coming back and Swarms. But hopefully we can continue to come up. Maybe we can get back to that 600 million market cap and flip Giga Chad. That's weird. Why is there nothing? There's always a gap between us and the top 10, right? There's always billions in the top 10. There's always something between us and the top 10. There's always a slight gap. If we get to 600 million, there'll be something here, 1 or 2 coins, and then it'll be billions. I will be glad when Turbo pushes to the billions so we can be rolling with the big dog. So shout out to the Turbo Toe community and all you guys that continue to hold and continue to join the BTM. Thanks for supporting. Somebody asked me, was I the lead in the project? And I said, no, I just make announcements and just report the news, right? I don't make the news, I just report it. But yeah, we will see. Things are starting to come back. I think 2025 will be the year for Turbo and the Turbo turn up time. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. Yeah, I just wonder why there is not a lot of users that watch on YouTube. I get most of my users through X, which is cool with me. A watcher is a watcher, but I don't know what's going on with the YouTube. Maybe YouTube is keeping us out of the algorithm for some reason. I don't know, but all I can say is run it back, right? The turbo will continue to push. If you like it, I love it. Let me see here. See if we can close. What do we want to close down? Let me save this before we close it. Make sure we can find that again. See if we can save this guy. Close that out because I want to look at the crypto bubbles. So let me know what you guys got and what you are looking at. I just picked up something on oh wow, a lot of green today. Looks like the market is roaring back. Let me see. Can I find this? Looks like the market is roaring back. I'm trying to see something I was looking at earlier. See if we can get this to come up. Let me see how it's going. Oh, okay. Okay. Looking up. Got a little decent play I'm working on the side. Let me see here. Very interesting. That's weird. Okay. So he's up 10%. Ordinal's up 6.9. Uniswap is up 8.3. GigaChat's up 8.9. PN is down 5. Solana's up 1.7. Snake is up 3.5. Gala's up 4.8. Nacho's up 2.1. HBar's up 3. Hoppy is up 1.2. There's a lot of people getting into Hoppy. I hope you guys don't get wrecked. That's all I can say about that. But let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. Let's see if we can get back to the comments. There we go. Popcat's up 3.9. Bitcoin is up 2.7, which is probably what's pushing everything else up. AI16Z is up 3.7. XRP is up 1.7. Let me see if I can find this play. Let me see if it's on here. What is it again? 1 minute. Oh yeah, here we go. There is an autism token, which I think is pretty cool. I might make a video about it, but it's not. Oh, that's weird. But it is a Solana meme coin. And if you know how the meme coins go on Solana, you never know. And what is this? Who is this? Are you joking? You got to be joking. Who is this? Let me see. I got to get back to the screen. Sorry, Turbo on base is better. No way, Crypto Cash. No way. Turbo on base? You got to be kidding me, bro. You got to be kidding me. Turbo on base is probably going to disappear, brother. But I don't want you guys to lose your money. And it's actually base Turbo. Doesn't even show up here, bro. That's what I'm saying. So I don't know. But don't come here selling coins nobody's picking up, brother. Thanks, but no thanks. Anyway, Zeno is down 5.8%. Lithium's down 2.2. Flocka is up 2.2. ICP's up 2.4. Osmosis is 1.5. Bonk is up 1.8. Radium is down 1%. Brett is up 2.6. And Peanut the Squirrel is up 0.2%. So let's see what else is going on. It's coming back, right? Litecoin is up 2.2. Let me see. I guess we'll close the bubbles out. Let's see what's going on here on the X front. Shout out to Torg. Something huge is cooking in the background. Join the revolution. The turbo turn up. Let's go. Add that to the X postings. Let's see if we can get anything popping turbo. Now I guess we'll start looking at videos. That's what we're talking about. Turbo on base. Bro, please. Turbo is currently at its lowest price, 008, with great growth potential. Listing Turbo on your platform will attract more enthusiastic users and increase engagement while also positioning. Okay. This is Gino. Shout out to Gino. First AI meme coin blockchain, build and burn turbo chain. So yeah, let's see if we can get more momentum towards the turbo chain. Turbo Trump. That's weird. But yeah, let's get to the video actually. I'm trying to see if there's any big thing coming down the path. If not, we get to a video. Shout out to Max Coin Vision. I don't know what's up with the potion and the potion on fire, but definitely continue to hold. Let's go. And who is this guy? I know that guy. I know these videos. That's pretty cool, actually. But yeah, let's get to a video real quick. Grab some coffee or something. I'll be right back. Let's see what's going down. This is Trading Sniper. Actually, yeah, the Trading Sniper.
Today. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, yes, I do sound a little bit different. Hopefully not too bad. I am at home. I have to record this, and I don't have my professional setup. So, no webcam, little crappier mic, but information and the analysis is still going to be here. So yeah, just gotta give you that. Also, thank you to all those that have been joining. It means a lot. More updates along the way, more innovation for the Discord, and we will continue to strive this bull run. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, right, we're going to dive into Bitcoin just for 30 seconds or so, right, because I think there's going to be a big update in terms of what just happened. So when we go on the weekly, ladies and gentlemen, we can see that we are currently at 94,000, pretty much $300. And at one point we were at 91,000, 260. We did sweep the last weekly candle, right? We swept this liquidity, and we can see we have been instantly recovering. Now, there is very big news coming, right? Pretty much once you see this video, if you don't see in the first 30 minutes, then this news will already be out. But we can see at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, we're going to have NFP, and this is going to dictate, how the markets are going to go. I think they're going to go great, but in case I am wrong, then, we may see a big dump. But either way, tomorrow, based off the news, we will see a big dump or a big pump. Now, based off technical analysis, we are looking to be breaking out of this zone. I do think we'll still have one final pullback before we really start pushing up. But this could be it, right? This could be it. If the news is great, everything will be great. This is why I have bought, Turbo very recently, right? When we go to the Turbo chart, we can see that we have gone down a good amount. We didn't go to our area just yet, right? We didn't go to our area just yet, somewhere over here at 0.0075. But that's okay because, like I said, I always buy on big red days, even if it's a small amount. Buying somewhere here right? Because like I said, if I put in $100 here and it goes over here to 0.0075, I'm just going to put 150. I'm always going to double down and play more aggressive during the dips because that's just going to be more reward. That is just my personal plan. But we can see when we look at Turbo, it is currently looking to be recovering. Now, if let's just say this is it, this is the end of the journey of the dip, and we are looking to be reversing overall, then we will be flying high for price action, ladies and gentlemen, right? We can see every time there is movement that has gone down very, very quickly, we get a nice recovery, right? We can see we went down quickly, we recovered quickly. And then again, we went down kind of quickly, right? A bit slower here. Boom, big pump, slow, big dump, right? We can see this mirrors this, right? What happened on January 3rd and then on the 7th pretty much mirrored it. Sure, it's not 100% like the exact same. We can see big pump, big dump. And that is just how the markets work. So what does that mean, right? Let's say the news is going to be great. Okay, scenario one, the news is going to be great. I expect us to do what we have to do, right? But then recover very, very quickly back up to pretty much 1 cent, ladies and gentlemen. Like, I mean, within the same day, within 12 hours, we could see a big, big recovery. Once this video comes out within 12 hours, we could already be back up to this area. Now, here's the thing, right? If we respect this area and then go like this, that is also a scenario. If we break above this area over here on the top of 0.01, pretty much, right? A little bit more, right? Then we will most likely be, never coming back to this zone I had marked up, right? If we break this, that means we'll create a higher high over this, and the more confirmation would be if we break over this, right? But we can take it a step at a time. If we break, like I said, this high over here, then we will create a higher high. And as long as we just hold and create a low higher than this low, let's just say somewhere here, then we are on point with structure, right? We are on point with structure and everything is looking to be great, right? Once again, people, when this video comes out, if you watched it within the first 30 minutes, then you will know what's already happened. If you watch it after 30 minutes, then price will already have gone crazy at one point. Now, here's the thing, right? Here's the thing. We could still see manipulation. We could see a
So, John, what was this bearish news? I didn't see any news this morning. So, what is it that you are referring to? Let us know in the chat. Let's get back to the video.
big dump in the markets for a couple of minutes before we recover. That is option two, right? Because these markets, big news events, they're not prone to manipulating, right? They can manipulate. And I know this because I have watched many, many news events, hundreds of news events. Sometimes they're clean, sometimes they'll just go straight up, sometimes they'll go straight down, but sometimes, they'll go down a certain amount one way and then just fling back the other side, right? And vice versa. They'll go up a lot and then slam down, right? So that is also a scenario. Scenario number three would be that the news is horrible in terms of, crypto and other stuff, and we will continue going lower. Now, based off everything, based off the technical analysis and everything, I don't think that's going to be the case. Now, of course, like I said, I don't dictate what comes out, but based off structure, based off everything, based off higher time frame, right? When we look at, for example, Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin's higher time frame is up, right? On the monthly, we are looking good. We broke up, 3 month, 6 month, yearly, right? The yearly candle is beautiful, right? We started at 39,000 and we ended at, pretty much 94,000 and a half. And at one point, we're at 109,000. So everything suggests up. I don't really want things to, tank too much. At the same time, more opportunity to be buying. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there is no new update on Twitter or anything about Turbo. Today is a little bit slower, but that is okay because, I mean, we can't expect an update all the time. In fact, when you think about it, Turbo gets updated way more often than most coins. So Turbo is killing it, right? Do not lose your faith in Turbo. Turbo will do great. It will recover, and it is on track to pretty much, ladies and gentlemen, create history. I still think, that 30 cent mark for Turbo is very, very doable, which would be over 30x from now. And I'm super excited. If I didn't believe in a project, I would not be making these types of videos. I would not be investing my personal money in Turbo. And obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, but Turbo is a great pickup. So if you're new, if you're looking to double down, then I'm not telling you to, but I'm just saying relatively it is a great price for what can very, very likely happen in the future. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys did enjoy. And
So shout out to the trading sniper. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. Do you like his videos? Do you not like his videos? Do you think he is on to something? Let me know in the comments. I'm actually trying to do something real quick. So I turn the screen share off, but we'll get back to it in 1 second. Just give me like 5. Good God. Just give me a couple minutes here. And perfect. So we will see here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Bring this back over here and we'll get back on the screen share. But do you like Trading Sniper? And comments for Turbo, which was kind of wide open. This is finance. So let's see what he has to say. Let me get the screen share back going. What the? Okay, here we go. And let me get the volume on. So as far as this going, is the videos getting quality getting better? I know there's a lot of glitches early, and we got the internet. Actually, it wasn't even the internet; it was just the computer. But we got everything on track. So let me know if it's working.
Artificial intelligence was only a utility play before Turbo came along, and this guy said we were going to have a meme coin super cycle. What is going on with the overall market? But if any of the old meme coins are going to last, it's going to be Turbo. Turbo is continuing to develop. They have absolutely every exchange listing that you can want, and everyone is wanting to integrate them. In this video, I'm going to go over the overall crypto market, but why I am so bullish on Turbo in an entire atmosphere that is over diluted with meme coins and AI memes and AI agents, and how Turbo still has what it takes to get past all of them and be one of the #1 memes in the world. Guys, it's going to be a great video. We're going to get into everything Turbo and more. I love you all. This is never financial advice. Like I said, Turbo, where it all started, guys. I started covering this a long, long time ago, and I have so much love for it. I have so much love for everyone in the community. I truly, truly do, guys. We came such a long ways. I remember when this had no exchange listings. This website was not nearly this big, but look at us now, guys. With Aurora partnerships powered by Near, Turbo has its own chain, guys. Seriously, think about it. If you would have been thinking 9, 12 months ago that Turbo would be here today, you would be lying if you thought that was going to happen. Turbo has really went past anything that I could have ever imagined when I started covering Turbo, less than $100 million market cap. But guys, there is a lot of things going on in the overall crypto market right now, which is leading Turbo to be at less than a $600 million market cap. And I want to dive into all of those. We currently have a fear and greed index of 43, altcoin season only ranking 46 out of 100. What's going on, mama? Somebody tell my bags to pump. But let's go over to BTC, as a lot of people are saying it is printing a head and shoulders. Everyone's heard of a head and shoulders. Isn't that extremely bearish? Well, let's take a look. If we come over here on Max Data app, we can look right here. Here's the left shoulder. We come up, we get the head. We come down here, and BTC is, in fact, printing a head and shoulders pattern. Now, does that mean it's obviously going to break down? No, it doesn't. But if BTC does break down, we can expect a target of approximately somewhere in this range. It would be about the $75,000 mark. So is that the end of the bull run? Is that the end of everything? No, I do not think so, but that is what the chart is saying. So with all of this scary time around the market, guys, if you want somewhere that is completely safe, there's no other than Caleb and Brown, the official brokerage of Freeman Finance and Crypto, guys, one-on-one brokers. There will be a free promotional link down in the bio. But we are in a very over-diluted market, guys. We now have an AI memes sector. I used to cover all the time that Turbo was the only meme coin listed in the artificial intelligence tab. This is before there was AI agents or there was AI memes, anything like that. But that still rings true. Although we have two other coins above Turbo right now in the AI meme sector, when we come over here to total artificial intelligence, we only have Turbo right here. And this is why I believe that's extremely bullish, because no matter what BTC is printing over here on Max Data app, no matter what the price of Turbo is doing right now, no matter what the fear and greed index doing, no matter what the ETF's doing, no matter any of that, I still believe we are very early on to this cycle right here, and that this chart of Turbo will look completely different at the end of the day. And I believe that retail investors will come in and they will want artificial intelligence. And then I feel like with the meme coin super cycle continuing on projects, they will see no other than Turbo. They will not be wanting to dabble in to the AI agents or any of these. Now, I'm not saying those won't do wrong. Y'all all know I am heavy on beats on base. I'm very heavy on base artificial intelligence projects, but I'm looking at retail when they come in. They're going to be on Coinbase. They're going to be on Binance, and eventually they're going to be on Robinhood. They're going to want to be looking at this. When we look at the overall crypto market cap for memes right now, it is down from a peak of about 140 billion down to 96.75 billion. And when we go over to artificial intelligence, it is half of that. Nobody, I believe, can look at this and say that meme coins should be twice the value of artificial intelligence, of real on-chain AI. Guys, we all know that memes inherently have no value. When Turbo was created, it did not have all this value, but now this is what's going to set it apart, in my personal opinion. Turbo is starting to create value, and I believe the days of having meme coins that have zero value are over. People want memes bridged with artificial intelligence. People want memes bridged with utility. This is not the original Shiba Inu day where that failed. People want things like Turbo Swap, and I'm extremely excited to see the new projects that are going to be launching on this, where people can swap seamlessly cross-chain, guys. Ethereum, Bitcoin, Arbitrum, Solana, and Base. We all know that now Turbo is available almost everywhere. They haven't bridged to Base chain, which I would love to see so much, but being Ethereum, this is so bottom of this very long website. If you go down here, it says that Turbo's IP is available for absolutely anyone can use. All Turbo branded assets are in the public domain. That is a billion-dollar asset available for absolutely everyone. Guys, y'all know I was hosting the Turbo AMAs, the Turbo Spaces, for a very long time, guys, and life just kind of happens. But coming at you, we have an AMA coming, hosted on the Freeman and Finance X, guys. I'm going to have Jack the Street. He is the creator of the NFT Turbo Toads, inspired by no other than Turbo Toad Token. I want to talk about real world assets. I want to talk about non-fungible tokens, and I want to talk about memes. So please go give me a follow on X, Freeman Finance and Crypto, at Finance Freeman, guys. A lot of fakes out there. Make sure you get the guys. Not
Wow. So it looks like there's another AMA. So Turbo is going parabolic with AMAs. Everybody's having an AMA here and there. Don't forget to sign up for Freeman to check out this AMA. Was there a time on there? 'Cause I don't know. Well, see if I can join that. That's Tuesday at 6 p.m. See if we can find that on his page real quick. Maybe we can join that as well. And who is this NFT guy? Actually, that's interesting. And let me see. I can actually look at this on here on my other machine and go ahead and get it added while this video plays through. But yeah, as you can see, the turbo AMAs are definitely starting to take off. As I mentioned previously, it's only a matter of time, right? Turbo will be everywhere. Turbo will be everywhere. Just hang in there and be patient. See if we can find it here. Let's go back to the BTM Twitter page. And here we go. All things NFTs with Jack the Street, the creator of the Turbo Toad inspired NFT collection. Turbo Toad's HQ. Meme crypto market, real time NFTs, NFT art, and everything tokenized on the chain. So yeah, that'll be Tuesday at 6 p.m. So definitely get ready to check that out, and let's get back to the video.
And guys, there's a lot of fakes out there. Make sure you get the right one. This ugly guy does not deserve any fakes, guys. It's just me. I'm the only one, but come on, support your boy Tuesday, January 14th at 6 p.m. I will greatly appreciate it. But now, let's get into the chart of Turbo. Now, guys, we made all-time.
1 second. Let me see. Yeah, 1 second. Let me look at something else real quick. I got something else going in the background, so I keep stopping and looking, trying to. I'll show you guys at some point, but I don't want to send you down the rabbit hole just yet. But we will get the word out at some point. Let me see. Okay, make sure this goes through. Uh-huh. All right, let's get back to the video. See, where are we here? Add them back to the stage. So let me know if you guys are joining this AMA Tuesday.
We barely did it, right? We went from 670, 680 million market cap. We came up to 930. Okay, that's a good pump. But after that, we barely made it. And we hit that big psychological resistance of 1 billion. So what I'm currently trending with BTC having the head and shoulders that everybody is so scared of, I am looking at this trend line. We touched it once here at 460 million back before the previous all-time high. We came and touched it again, and now I am wanting to see what we see right here. It wouldn't surprise me if we come around, bounce off of this, and then go up with the trajectory. I believe we have some real bullish catalysts coming up in the entire world, starting with the United States president inauguration on January 20th. Guys, that is only about a week and a half away. So please pray to the crypto higher ups that we can start pumping our bags. But guys, I'm so grateful for everyone in the Turbo community. It has meant a lot for me in my Web3 career. We all and I will forever be grateful for every single one of you. But let me know, what do you think is the next step for Turbo? Do you think we have more downside, or do you think we are going to pump to new all-time highs? Guys, watch this video up above, and if you're not a part of the Freeman of Finance family, what are we doing? Subscribe. I love you all.
So what is up, everybody? We are back with another video on Turbo and video, and today we're going to be taking another look at Turbo. So before we do start the
So moving on, this is Wealth Magnet Hub. We'll see what he has to say about why you should buy more Turbo. Get in before time runs out. So this is from yesterday evening. Let's check out Wealth Hub Management.
make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen looking at Turbo at down 1.6% in the past 24 hours. So before in the market right now, if you want to make profit without potentially risking your money going down, you might want to check out this project. Again, this could give you 5% returns within just 5 hours. So this is plan one. You could see 105% after just 5 hours. So whatever money you spend, it goes from $10 to $5,000. You could make a 5% pure profit in just 5 hours. I know a lot of investment plans that take way more, even if a lot lower, 6-8% in the past 24 hours. Market volume are also a lot lower, $66 million, also down to 66% from yesterday. So what is going on with Turbo? It is recently not getting too much attention, and even if we look at the overall crypto market, just today the global crypto market cap is down 2.66%. We see most of these coins are down but multi-trillion dollars, and we just see most of the market just not doing too great. Let's head to crypto bubbles actually, and then we could take a look at how the market is looking, and we could obviously see everything is red right now. We barely see any coin that is up, and if any coin is up, they are up by very small percentages. This is the daily, and even if we look at the weekly, we get bigger red numbers, only about a couple that are, maybe a few that will be green. But again, most of the market, and these are only the top 100 coins, and they are not doing it too great. So again, no matter what these coins are doing, we are still, even though we are not doing too good, Turbo still is holding on pretty strong, I would say. We could see we haven't had the crazy down. We did have a little bit of dump, but now we are kind of just consolidating sideways, pretty much what the market is doing. But Bitcoin, we are actually moving downwards. We could see that it is moving downwards, whereas Turbo is kind of moving sideways as of right now. So again, holding off pretty strong even in these times as well. And these are the tough times that you just have to wait and possibly even up your position, buy more, because these are buy the dip opportunities that you get in the market. And when the market is slow, I know a lot of people panic. A lot of people think crypto's dead, Turbo's dead, blah blah blah. I know everything happens. That is just how it goes. And when it starts pumping back up again, people come back saying how they're bullish on it. But again, that is just a matter of time and patience.
The main reasons watch this wealth HUD management because he's pretty much on the money. And he's right. A lot of people weren't making turbo videos while it was down, right? A lot of people you don't hear from why it's down. As soon as it starts to pump or as soon as things start to look up, you see a lot of people making turbo videos. So just remember who's been here the whole time. Thanks for your support. Thanks for you guys that continue to like, share, and subscribe. Tune in and watch my videos. Support your main man, BTM. Don't forget to check out the Etsy. I got some more stuff on Etsy. I was using what is that? The YouTube channel, but it doesn't appear anybody's buying through YouTube. Although I just realized my Etsy was making a pretty good amount of sales, right? And I just realized that it stopped because of the payment form, and the payment has been updated. The two people who got refunded, I sent you an email. You will get a 50% off of anything you buy going forward. So I apologize for that. But thanks for your support. Thanks for keeping me going. Thanks for keeping the lights on at the Black Tiger Miner. And thanks for keeping me current with Turbo as one of the top Turbo turnup, the central office of Turbo, and one of the main Turbo supporters, one of the first people to start talking about Turbo. And I want to thank you guys for doing that for me, from just making videos on Kaspa to kind of being one of the top, I guess, influencers with Turbo. Somebody asked me, was I involved in the original project? And when's the last time I talked to Rec? I haven't talked to Rec. I did send him an email, Rec Mankind, and we'll see if he responds. But thanks for that. And no, I don't live in Australia. No, I don't know Rex. But we'll see if he responds, because a lot of people have been asking me trying to get to Rec. And I was like, I don't even talk to him. So look, I don't even know Jay, right? You guys are trying to DM me to get to him. I don't even know Jay, right? I'm just a guy in Texas making YouTube videos about the turbo turnup, or the top AI generated meme coin, one of the first people to start making videos about it. But yeah, I don't know Rec. Can't get you in touch with Rec. And Rec actually stepped away from the project. He is here and kind of monitoring it, but he's not involved in day-to-day activities. But I do appreciate you guys thinking that I am working directly with him. But thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's get back to Wealth Magnet Hub. And I'm pulling up another video because we're doing it all live, right? Shout out to Turbo Toad. And thanks for helping me rebuild the community. And we might do an XRP video, but I'm looking at this Degent play. I don't want to bring you guys in too early and get rugged, but I'll let you know probably if we do the XRP video. But a lot of people don't like Solana. I'm pretty cool with the Solana tokens and the Solana Degen plays, right? I'm in it for the money, straight up. But let's get back to Wealth Magnet Hub.
Website. And again, just to take a look, we can see how crazy the potential still is in Turbo. This was one of the first meme coins created with the AI, created with the help of AI. We know AI is the future, and this was the first, almost the first coin created with the AI, and meme coins are also on the rise as well. So AI and meme coins combined together is an absolute wave that Turbo is bringing us, and now has its own chain, as we did talk about previously. It has a now fully decentralized, community-driven crypto adventure, and has its own Turbo chain. We could see, and on 115 plus spot exchanges. I can't say this enough. This is one of
Okay, guys, hold the phone, right? Turbo's cooling on, but I just want to say this. I don't want to keep you guys on the outside because I appreciate you guys and everything you do. So I just found this. Actually, I got in last night. I put $100 in, and you can see this autism capital has been running, bro. Running. I think it's up to 410. And this is a DJ play. Again, don't FOMO into this and don't get in it if you are investing anything you aren't prepared to lose. But yeah, I put in $100. Actually, I put in $80 and it's up to 433. Again, this is a decent play, right? This is Solana. I know you guys hate the Solana tokens, but I just wanted to share with you guys and share with the Turbo Toe community. Actually, this is the BTM community, right? You guys are here with the BTM, and BTM wants to show you a little something on the side. But let's get back to the video and let me know what you guys think about this autism capital. I actually have some friends that have children that are autistic. So I hope this isn't a rug because it's going to end badly. But I do want you guys to check it out. Check it out on the Dex tool and let me know. But let me get back to um Wealth Magnet Hub.
One of the biggest things about Turbo being on Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, and all of these huge exchanges is not easy. And it definitely takes a lot of potential in the coin itself and the back end to be really, really strong for any coin to get listed on here. And if they did, this is most likely going to be absolutely huge and definitely not a rug pull, as some people are calling it right now, just because it is down, just following the market trend. And it's not even Turbo's fault because most of the market is down right now. People are pulling out money. It is just a market cycle. So still a part of the game. If we do take a look at their Twitter, 106.6K followers. We have AI agents, which they did post again. We have Turbo on here as well. We see Aurora Labs selling their merch as well, which Turbo is included in. We see a lot of fan art on Turbo. We see cards being made with Turbo, as we can see right here, and a ton more stuff going on within the community. And even if we look at the community on coinmarketcap.com, 92% still bullish if we look at the latest comment. Turbo bought extra at this dip. Now let's fly this thing. Number one coin in the portfolio. I'm bullish on Turbo. Fly this thing. Number one coin in the portfolio. I'm bullish on Turbo. I'm seeing too many double-minded Turbo holders. They're bullish, then bearish, then bullish, then bearish. Make up your mind. You don't have too much time to decide. And that is absolutely correct because when the coin rises, they're all bullish on this coin. And when it just dumps, they are back to being bearish. And they just keep switching back and forth. They can't decide whether they like the project or not. And when it pumps like crazy, they want to come back, but they can't get into the prices they wanted to. And these are the prices that you technically want to get in. And these are almost as the lowest it will possibly go. Bitcoin will be the range of 90,000 to 95 in 3 days, but altcoin was in rise. I'm bullish on Turbo, bullish on Turbo. Despite the economic downturn, my conviction remains unchanged and is stronger than ever. I see every dip as an opportunity for the next phase of altcoin season begins. This is the moment where everyone's resolve is truly tested. Investors a Bitcoin dragged all over the past couple of days and just hold remain strong. The hard work you've all put in the years will pay off soon, and best part of the current cycle is just around the corner. Stay focused and keep pushing forward. So it was a bit of a long passage, but it is definitely right. These are the times where the market tests the people if they're actually weak-hearted or they want to stay strong and actually believe in the project itself. So again, a lot said about Turbo for today. So That was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we didn't talk about
So there I was, chilling on my couch, looking at the market in
has ticked all the boxes. Coinbase, Binance, socials, like everything is going crazy. So you cannot compare it to these type of coins and be like, oh,
What's up, Pip? Good morning. I think you missed it. I just showed you a decent play, and I don't generally do this, right? Because I don't want you guys to FOMO in and lose your money, right? I'm comfortable with losing money or pulling some of these plays, but in this last night, I saw it pop up on the DEX tool. You know, I scan the DEX tools all the time. There's Autism Capital, and it's up 1,474%. I'm up to $400 on a $75 play, right? I usually don't do this. And when I do it, I don't share it with you guys because I don't want you guys to FOMO in and follow me down these rabbit holes. So again, this is not financial advice, and I would not recommend anyone investing anything you're not prepared to lose. But it's your main man BTM trying to help you guys make a couple of bucks on the side so you can buy more turbo. So let's get back to the moment could go down in meme coin history. Let's get back to Money and Me and see what he's talking about. So let me know in the comments if you guys are on these Solana degen plays.
absolute disgust of, man, I need is the next Dogecoin. Where can I find the next Dogecoin? Because I need in my portfolio particularly a short amount of time. Then it finally hits me that there is one coin out there, one in all crypto where I could potentially see some really nice gains, maybe 100x type of returns. Now, it's not Pepe, but it does have the potential to flip Pepe, has the potential to flip Shiba Inu and maybe even Dogecoin. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys what meme coin that is. I'm also going to tell you when the potential flipping is going to occur. So make sure you guys stay tuned because I have a good one for you guys. Now, before I actually talk about that specific meme coin where I think is going to make us some really nice gains, a few things first. And what I want to get into is altcoin season because it seems like we have been lied to. For the longest time, we keep hearing altcoin season is here, altcoin season is here. And is it really here? Because unfortunately, this is all I'm seeing on a lot of these altcoins. I want you guys to take a look at this. I come over here to Twitter here, and every second, look at this. This might be your last chance to accumulate before altcoin season. The altcoin season has started. Are you ready to rise altcoins? What else? When nobody believes in altcoins anymore, this is when it truly begins. A massive comeback. Altcoin season has already started. Even myself, and I don't even post that much on X. Altcoin season still loading. Like absolute. Oh, I'm down here as well. We might be on our way to an altcoin season. This was back in June, and altcoins still haven't exploded. I mean, Ethereum hasn't even made a new all-time high this year or within the last year. Since last bull cycle, Ethereum still hasn't made a new all-time highs, which leads me to believe that we are still in a potential meme coin season because I think what is going to happen in 2025 is we're going to see utility coins rally, but we're also going to be seeing meme coins continue to rally and maybe even potentially make people a lot more money than the utility coins. I think that is what we're going to see. I believe we are definitely in a meme coin super cycle, and the super cycle is going to continue, and people are going to be very surprised at the amount of money that they are actually going to make. I want you guys to check out this post that I came across a couple months ago. So it says, this is actually from, or he actually posted this right here. So it says, old money flow, Bitcoin, Ethereum, large caps, altcoin season, new money flow, Bitcoin, Solana, Doge, large cap memes, full meme season. Well, considering that Ethereum is not moving at all, and a lot of these large caps is not moving at all, I think that there is a potential where this chart on the right could be reality, unfortunately, right? And at the end of the day, I'm here to make money. So I am going to put money both in utility coins and put money into these meme coins, continue to put money into these meme coins because I think that meme coin season is still here. And even though we are seeing some red in the crypto space, it's red on everything, all coins and meme coins. But what happens when we start to see some green action? We're going to see these meme coins turn around and start rallying like crazy. So I want to be positioned in all the meme coins that I think could make me some really nice returns. But there's one in particular, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, that I think could really take our portfolios to the next level. And again, I'm going to let you guys know when I think the explosion is going to occur on this meme coin. But remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. At the end of the day, I could be lying. So make sure you do your own research. All right. Now, before I get into the meme coins that I'm going to talk about real quick, for anyone looking for a great crypto exchange, make sure you check out my link to BTCC. You get 10% bonus on first time deposits. You get extra bonuses of up to $10,000. And if you're a leverage trader, you get to use up to 500x leverage on some of these coins. So make sure you check that link down below. There's also going to be a link to my Patreon for some exclusive content and trade assets, which is a great crypto indicator. But the meme coin that I'm going to be talking about right now is none other than Peanut right here. This thing is sitting at a market cap of 558 million as I'm
Bro, I know you joking, right? All this time I'm listening to the video, I'm thinking you're going to say something crucial, and you came with peanut? Bro, stop it. Stop it for real. I mean, come on. I mean, peanut's cool. I am into peanut, right? I'm deep into the story. I like the meme coin. I like the story. I don't like how it's going down, but I don't think it's going to be the top altcoin. On that note, we're going to have to keep it moving. Sorry, Money and I, but yeah, that wasn't what I was looking for. I was looking for something a little bigger than that. So we're going on to Gas Apetar.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So right now, it looks like things are going to be permanent, right?
This Mark said peanut the squirrel. Come on, brother.
You're looking at the red, you're looking at the charts going down. You have already assumed that Turbo is done.
Actually, I'm kind of intrigued. Let's see what he's talking about.
this right now. As we can see, this thing did go on a parabolic run. This thing had one point at its highs, went over $2 billion market cap, $2.37 billion market cap. Right now, it's had a pretty sizable retracement, which is great. This is a buying opportunity. Now, some of you might be wondering, why did I choose Peanut specifically to make us life-changing gains at least 100x this cycle? Why do I believe that Peanut could end up making a $40 billion market cap where Dogecoin is currently sitting at, or Dogecoin at its all-time highs was somewhere around an $80 billion market cap? What makes me believe that Peanut has that sort of potential? Well, people love animals, and what happened to Peanut was extremely tragic. We had big names talking about what happened to Peanut on X to the point where the price exploded onto the scene. The price went up so fast where it was super hard to actually get a good entry price on Peanut. Then we go over to CoinMarketCap, and what we see here is all the exchange listings that it's on. It got that Binance listing in 2 seconds. It got that Bybit, got that BitGet, got that Kraken, KuCoin, and we still have a Coinbase listing that is pending. Coinbase is already put it in its roadmap, so we know that the Coinbase listing is coming 100%. They are favorable market before listing something like Peanut. And I think that Peanut is one of those coins. The story is there where it could actually ride the charts all the way to the top. Now, I believe that once the market starts to turn around and we start to see a lot more green days, we are going to see something like Peanut skyrocket. But here's the thing, there is a specific date that we need to keep in mind, because I believe this date, around this date, we're going to see Peanut rally like we have never rallied before. And unfortunately, that date is sometime around the anniversary of Peanut's death, which is super hard to talk about, but that's just the reality of the situation. I think that sometime around October 30th, 2025, we're going to see this coin take off like we have never seen before. And this could be around this time, we could see this coin potentially reach a 40 to $80 billion market cap. But once again, I could be wrong and I could be lying. So make sure you do your own research on this one. Just because I like Peanut doesn't mean you need to like Peanut. All right. There's plenty of good coins out there. But if we're looking for a coin that seems to be somewhat in a safer position, because the lower the market cap, the more risky these coins really are. But considering that this one has still a lot of attention on it, and what happened with this squirrel was so tragic, I can only expect to see massive returns on this meme coin going into late 2025. All right. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Check out a few of the links that I have down below. And until next time, take care.
So shout out to Money and Me. I'm not 100% sure about that squirrel peanut, right? I mean, I got peanut last year, so I don't know, but we will see. But let's check gas per, and then we'll shut it down. Let's see what he has to say real quick.
It's going to go to 0. But, that's only the vocal minority. That's the minority that tries to make itself heard because the emotions are just breaking through their skin. But guess what? It's all temporary, what we have here. And it's important for me to make a video like this to actually tell you about the future of Turbo. Yes, volume is down. Yes, market cap is going down, but the whole market is dropping. Bitcoin's dropping. We're getting rid of all the paper hands. And maybe, by the time this video comes out, we might go up 10%, right? And then I'll be accused of talking about price going down when it went up 10%, which in my opinion is very funny. I like how people pinpoint like little changes. Like, how can you even think about 10 or 20%? Guys, we should be with a big vision, a deep vision, 1,000%, 15,000%. 10,000%. I mean, you have to look at big numbers. That's what matters. But 10, 15%, and you're freaking out. Come on, give me a break. You all know it's going to be full of emotions now. It's an emotional roller coaster. I know a lot of you are looking for some abnormal activity to happen from Turbo, but guess what? You're not going to get it. Turbo isn't just going to be randomly going up while the whole market goes down. That's not how things work. I know you think maybe Turbo is amazing and it's going through its own path, but guys, believe me, it is following the path of all cryptos. It's just going to pump really hard when all the other ones start pumping. Simple as that. So what can I say? I mean, when people sell, I want to buy, right? When people panic, I get excited. People are angry, I'm happy. I'm always on the other side. That's the point. That's why I make money out of this. And this is why a lot of people don't make money, because they expect certain things from it. You did not take the risk if you tried to buy at the all-time high. You never took the risk. So you should not be rewarded. You can only be rewarded when you're patient enough. When you have credibility, conviction, then you get rewarded. These moments make us stronger. And I know some of you are looking at other coins, like, for example, let's go on Fart Coin. That's a big one now. People are like, damn, Fart Coin, it hit like I think it was like $1 billion market cap. But guys, look at the sentiment of Fart Coin. 25% is negative. And these charts tend to be always like full green for almost every crypto, every top crypto. Okay, it hasn't gotten listed on the top exchanges. Okay, I mean, guys, do you see any big ones here? Coinbase, Binance, you don't, right? But it went over $1 billion. So this, in my opinion, is just a very kind of volatile coin. I don't know much about it, okay? And maybe I'll make videos in the future about it, but it just hasn't proven itself as much as Turbo. Turbo has ticked all the boxes. Coinbase, Binance, socials, like everything is going crazy. So you cannot compare it to these type of coins and be like, oh, look, Fartcoin's gone up like 10% today and Turbo's down. That's not a fair comparison. Okay? And also, it's very risky, in my opinion. Look at this one. This one has freaking 68% negative. Like, I don't even know where it came from. It has a 2.1 billion market cap, yeah. But I do believe that there's something shady going on. It's just happened all very, very quickly. It exploded. But do you see any big as now? Yes. Whereas Coinbase, for example, at this point, I imagine that Coinbase should have listed it. So maybe it will come. I don't know. But it just seems to me that this is one of these that, excites people. But I don't know if it's going to move that much. Like, remember Book of Meme? That coin. It hasn't really moved that much, but it was massive in market cap. Lots of people invested. So be careful with these type of coins. Binance took a bet on this. I'm not going to lie. But where are the other ones? Where's Coinbase? And I'm not trying to put it down that much. I'm not trying to be like, okay, this is the worst thing. I will probably talk about it in the future if it proves itself. But this freaks me out, the community sentiment. So it looks like there could be a massive drop. There could be something very strange going on. Whereas we have a very bullish community, 92%. And when Turbo does well, it even goes higher. So please, open your eyes and see what is actually, the thing. Where can you actually make the money? Where are you low risk? Where are you safe? Some people are pointing out that, we have some problems. What problems? I mean, first of all, it's very spread out. Okay, we have a lot of holders, more than 51K. The creator is doxed. Okay, you can literally see the YouTube video out there about, how it was created with AI, $69 budget. So everything there is playing well. The only thing we need is just to enter the altcoin season. Simple as that. Maybe a Robinhood listing would be nice as well, but it's not, the final thing. Without a Robinhood listing, we will do well as well, right? It's not the end if we don't get it. So yeah, guys, let me know how you feel about Turbo. Like, what is the sentiment right now? Is it bothering you? Are you just loading up? You are taking advantage of it? Because it seems to me like the top players, like the ones that understand how cryptos work, they're loading up. They're taking advantage of every penny. But the ones that, get emotional, angry, upset, they're weak. Very weak. Okay? So you choose your side. You choose your fate. Because I don't want, the altcoin season to come and be like, oh yeah, I was watching the cryptos, but I never made a move. So I'll just wait until the next Bitcoin halving. God knows what's going to happen in 4 years' time. Let's just focus on 2025. Let's be realistic. Okay? That is how things work. You're going to have to be patient, but also realistic. Those are very, very important traits that people can have. I don't know if they're part of their character, personality, but that's how you win. If you want to be, like I said many times, if you want to be making money over 24 hours, you should be like a day trader. Go chase candles. Look at candles that are on the 1 hour chart. But here, you play the long-term game with me. So guys, make sure you subscribe, turn that notification.
The video from Gossip Pure. And yeah, Pip, I've seen this. I would get more into meme coins, would be my pick ATM. Yeah, no, I saw that. That Retarda IO, I guess. I don't know how to say that. But yeah, I've been watching that too. Right. You know, on the side, I got a lot of decent plays, right? I don't want to bring it to you guys because I don't want you losing your money and being mad at me. So, you know, I do a lot of investing in these decent plays on the side, right? Because it comes up and down and you gotta be careful. Like this one's starting to come down actually. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. You in them, you hate them, you love them, you like them. Let me know either way it goes. But let me check this real quick and I'll let you know. But I guess we're shutting it down. It's been a pretty long live. I'm going to shut it down. Got some calls to make, but I might be back on later. Either way it go, it's your main man BTM signing out. Thanks for joining. Thanks for making me the mayor or the governor of Turbo and the Turbo Toad turn up. And Turbo is pushing back up. I told you guys, all you had to do was keep holding and diamond hand. And you guys are definitely diamond handing. And Turbo is trading uh, uh, on the up and up. It was going sideways, but it looks like we're starting to push back up. Let me check the coin ranking real quick. Coin ranking has Turbo still in top 15. So we are live. But I'm come back on later. I need to get back to these plays. Thanks for joining. Thanks for supporting me. And thanks for holding down your main man BTM. Also check my Twitter page. I have the Etsy back open with the t-shirts and the coffee cups. I was doing it through YouTube, but for some reason the YouTube, I don't know, YouTube wasn't really making money. And I just realized I had a whole lot of sales through Etsy. So I'm getting back to Etsy. I know a couple people had made a sale and it got refunded. Sent you a thing, going to give you guys 50% off your next orders, but check out the Etsy page. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's your main man, BTM, signing out. Remember, let's get back to the money, guys. And as always, stay dangerous. And please pray for your people in California as LA continues to burn. I know it's a tough situation, but they're trying to do what they can. But keep those guys in your thoughts and prayer. I do have family out in California, so we are rooting, or we are praying for you guys. But thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And just trying to run it up to maybe a minute or two, trying to get back to an hour and 30 even, but I just realized I got the outro. So thanks for joining. Keep the folks in California and the folks in the southeast and the south, because we got snowed in and California is getting burned down. So keep these guys in your prayers. Hopefully things will be back on track soon. But it's your main man BTM signing out. Miner out. And remember, stay dangerous. See you when I see you.